Hello dear students, I am Rupali Jinturkar from Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy Nigdi Pune. Today we are going to learn about phenols. These are the methods for preparation of phenol. From diazonium salt, phenols are prepared and alkali fusion of sulfonates. So alkalis are fused with sulfonate to form these phenols. Reactions. Aside from acidity, the most striking chemical property of phenol is the extremely high reactivity of its ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Even in ring substitution, acidity plays an important role. Ionization of phenol gives O minus group, which, because of its full-fledged negative charge, is more strongly electron releasing than OH group. Phenols, which are aromatic in nature, are more acidic than alcohols because of the resonance stability. Electron withdrawing groups like halides or nitro group increases the acidity of phenol, whereas electron releasing groups like CH3 decreases their acidity. These are the reactions of phenols. Reactions that phenol as acid, ester formation, that is Fries rearrangement reaction, ether formation, that is Williamson's synthesis, and electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So these are 9 reactions that comes under EAS. Let us see one by one. First is phenol as acid. Phenols react with active metals like sodium to form the salt. Sodium phenoxide is being formed. These are the few more reactions. This is the solubility pattern of phenol compared with the carboxylic acids. Phenols are weak acidic than carboxylic acids, so they are water insoluble, but they are soluble in NaOH, but they will not give any reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Whereas carboxylic acids are water insoluble, they will be soluble in both the solvents. So here the confirmatory test for carboxylic acid is sodium bicarbonate solubility. They will be soluble in sodium bicarbonate with effervescence, whereas phenols are insoluble and they do not give effervescence in sodium bicarbonate solvent. We use the ionization of acids in water to measure the strength of that acid. So this is the acid that will give the ionization products. When we compare the acidity of alcohols and phenols, we find out that the Ka value of alcohol is very much lower and of phenol is very much higher. Higher is the Ka value, stronger will be the acid. But why? Why phenols are more acidic than alcohols? So this can be understood by the ionization reactions of both. This is alcohol and this is phenol. So alcohols will get ionized in water to form alkoxide ion. Phenols will get ionized in water to form phenoxide ion. So these phenoxide ion exist in resonating forms, and that is why it is more stable. And as this is more stable, ionization will be faster and removal of H will be there, so that will create acidic environment, and that is the reason phenols are much more acidic than alcohols. Whereas in alcohols, this react RO minus, that is alkoxide ion, is not stable as compared to phenoxide ion, so it will encourage the backward reversible reaction. Effect of substituent group on acid strength. Electron withdrawing group will decrease the negative charge in the phenoxide ion, that lowers the energy and shift the equilibrium further to right and makes it a stronger acid. So if this G is electron withdrawing group like halide ion or nitro group, this when this electron withdrawing group substituted phenol undergoes ionization, it will form phenoxide ion. The negative charge will be balanced by electron withdrawing nature of this G group. This G group can be attached to any of these ortho, meta or para positions. The group will try to attract the negative charge, that is electron cloud, towards itself. So this make this structure stable. But when we talk about electron donating group, then the negative charge will be again shifted more towards oxygen, as this G is electron donating in nature. So that makes the phenol weak acidic. Now, this is assignment for you. These are the five compounds. You have to just number in the decreasing order of acid strength. So give number 1 to the one compound which is most acidic in nature. You can pause the video till then. Okay, so this is the correct answer. This para-nitrophenol is most acidic as electron withdrawing group is attached to it. Para-bromo is the second one, as nitro is more stronger electron withdrawing than bromo. So bromo comes at number 2. Unsubstituted phenol is at third position. Then methyl substituted phenol at fourth position, and aliphatic, this is cycloalcohol, it is at fifth position. This is one more assignment for you. You have to give numbering. So sulfonic acid is the strongest, carboxylic acid is number 2, phenol is at third position, and CH2OH is at fourth position. So this is about the phenols. Thank you.